All right, taking the first look at the QX65. This is in Sunfire Red, and the paint job is amazing. You kind of see the gold flakes throughout the whole car. You get this massive black grille with the lit up emblem, and you get this piano style headlights. Your actual headlights are in here. This is actually your DRL. I think the front end looks amazing. When you come down to the side, there's actually barely any chrome parts. Pretty much everything's blacked out. You got gloss black wheel fenders here, and these massive 21-inch wheels. They look amazing. We get black mirror caps, and this whole roof is actually black, but you do get this brushed silver look that kind of separates the roof from the car. Again, this paint color looks really good. You also get this sport back kind of design. It slopes all the way down to the rear, coming to these really cool taillights. They are inspired by fighter jet. It kind of reminds me of like a Lamborghini. I think they look amazing, and it runs across the whole rear end, and it actually has like dots, so it's all separated individually instead of just being one solid red light. You also get your Infiniti text written throughout the whole thing, and your QX65, and you have a tow hitch rated for 6,000 pounds of towing. When you open the hatch, you do get a hands-free tailgate. You get 36 cubic feet of space behind the second row, which is massive, and they're powered folding seats, so now it opens up to 65 cubic feet of space with some space at the bottom here for extra storage. All right, under the hood of the QX65 is a 2.0 liter four-cylinder VC turbo engine with 285 horsepower and 268 pound-feet of torque, all paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. There's also a really cool puddle light that says Infiniti along the side. All right, stepping inside the QX65, I love this interior color, and these seats look awesome, especially in this red and the stitching pattern that they have with the autograph text. They are heated and ventilated, and they have a massage function. Once you step inside, it feels even nicer. You get a lot of soft padding throughout the whole cabin. You get a 12.3-inch screen here, and it does have Google built in. Of course, you do get your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a digital dashboard here. It's also a 12.3-inch display. It looks pretty much the same as every other Infiniti display now, and you even have a heads-up display up there and a digital mirror, so you can still see out the back if you have passengers. What I really like is that the wireless charging pad is MagSafe now, so there's a magnet there, and it actually holds the phone in place, and it charges much faster now since it uses Qi 2.0. You also get two USB-C ports there. This is your drive shifter, which I call the soap bar in all the Infiniti products. Your start-stop button is going to be here, and your drive modes. You do get an Eco, Auto, Sport, and a Snow mode, a Tow mode, and an Off-road mode. You can also control your infotainment system using this dial here, as well as your touch screen. So I like that you don't have to reach all the way there. And because it's Google built in, you actually have Google Maps in here. And you also have, hey Google, take me to the nearest Costco.
Okay, Costco wholesale. Here we go.
Cool. You also get your 20 speaker Klipsch audio speaker system, and you have speakers in the headrest. So when you have an incoming phone call or navigation instruction, only your speakers gets sound, so you don't bother your passengers. I also like that the HVAC control is a separate unit and not built into the screen, so you have your physical climate dials here and a physical volume knob. You also get 64 different ambient lighting colors to choose from. You also have your Pro Pilot Assist 2.1, which comes with your adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and a really good lane keep assist system, as well as your 360 camera. All right, checking out the back seats of the QX65, there is a ton of space back here. You get your own HVAC system with your heated seats here, two USB-C ports. Legroom is really good, and these seats do slide back and forth, and they recline quite a bit. This is one of the most reclining seats I've ever sat in an SUV. Headroom is pretty decent for me at 5'8", but if you're about 6 foot tall, because of that slope back design, headroom is going to be a little bit tight. You don't have privacy shades on this model, but I like how big and wide the windows are, and I just love how open an area feels because of that massive panoramic sunroof. There will be 3 trims available: Luxe, Sport, and Autograph, which is the one you see here today. I'm glad to see the Infiniti FX Sportback design on the market in North America again, and I can't wait to drive it in the future. pricing and fuel economy is not out yet as of filming this video, but stay tuned for a full in-depth review to see what it's like to drive in the real world. As always, thanks for watching.